Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add effects to our CapCut project. Let's get started. Here I have created a CapCut project and we're going to add effects to this project. So the first thing we're going to do is click on effects button right here. Then we're going to click on video effect. And there will be a lot of effects that we can use, and we can choose and we can search for that effect. We can search the effect that we like by clicking on the search button, or you can also slide your screen like this and try to find the effect that you like. And for me, I'm just going to add like rain effect to my video. So I'm going to click on nature right here and select the rain effect and just click on the effect that you like, and you can customize the effect by clicking on the adjust button right here. And for the rain effect, we can increase the speed like this, or we can decrease the speed, and we can customize it as we want. And after that, we can click on this check mark. Then we can adjust the length and we can make this effect align with the video. So just drag on the effect like this. Alright, and let's see the result, guys. Let's play the video. Okay guys, and that's how we can add effects to our video in CapCut. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video.